Hi, in today's video we're going to be showing you how you can maximize your earning potential on the site Freecash. And these are the tips and tricks that you're going to need to know. So even whether you are already a member on Freecash and struggling to earn money with Freecash, or if you haven't even dived into Freecash yet, stay tuned right to the very end of this video because you're going to want to get cracking on Freecash so you can start earning money today. Okay, so we've come onto the Freecash website here, and there are various different ways that you can actually earn cash with Freecash. Now, there are various different things. Like I say, the first thing you want to do is go and download the app. On the front top here, it says download our app, so you can go and do that straight away. Okay, this will take you back through to Google Play, and as you can see, I've had plenty of downloads, over 1 million downloads so far. Great reviews of 4.7 stars, over 7,500 reviews. First way, if you go and join straight away, you will get 150 coins just for going and join. Also, if you are on Twitter or anything like that, then be sure to go and check out their Twitter account as well. And this is a good way because this will also give you another way of earning, because every so often Freecash will drop bonus points that you can go and get just by going to fill in the bonus that they drop in their Twitter account. So they'll give you a code or something like that. You can just enter the code and you could earn a couple of dollars just very, very quickly by going and filling in that code. Now, of course, you've also got things like the 7-day streak. So if you come in here and then you come in on 7 days on the bounce, you can actually earn up to 50,000. They also have a daily bonus ladder. So every time you come in on a daily basis, you've got a chance to come and actually earn more coins here. And all you do is you can either claim it or you can double it. Okay, so if we just click now, it goes and we've got a chance of clicking and doubling. So there's another good quick couple of ways to go and obviously start earning. We've got obviously more ways that we can actually tell you, especially the last one I'm going to tell you right at the end of this video. I'm going to tell you a secret of where you can literally earn passively from Freecash. So you don't even have to do any of the work. Okay, if you're loving this video, just take 5 seconds just to like the video for us. This will help us in the YouTube algorithm go higher up and obviously get more views so we can help more people earn money with Freecash. So you click on the earn button here and you've got the standard featured offers here. You've got offer partners, so you could go and do surveys. You can watch videos on Lootably. You've also got surveys here. You can go through various different surveys that they've got in here, and they're one of the biggest survey sites out there, even though they are only fairly new. They've only been going a couple of years, and they've really taken off as probably one of the highest paying survey sites out there. Here you can have a quick look at the offers here. So some of them you just have to sign up for. So you've got 26 offers there. You've also got 139 offers there, of which are games. So you can then go and play games. So if we just click on that, how easy this is. This is probably the easiest way to go and actually earn money on Freecash, apart from what I'm going to tell you right at the very end. So make sure you stay tuned. As you can see here, you've got some big money. $80 you could earn on this one. $47 you can earn on this one. $75, $24. So some big amounts here. Yes, obviously there's some small amounts as well. Just $2 here, $1.75. But again, if they're only going to take you a few minutes to do, you might as well use those as well. And there are even quizzes and that sort of thing you can take. Obviously, these don't pay as much, but again, they're very easy to do and don't take that long at all. And even if you earn $1.60, 97 cents, $1.17, will all add up. Another way you can earn money is on the daily leaderboards. Now, if you're coming in daily and you are earning good points, and as you can see here, this user here is actually going to be earning 50,000 bonus coins just for being top of the leader. And he's actually earned 225,000 points today, and that is going to be equivalent of $225. So it shows you that it is possible to go and do this. And you don't even have to be on the top of the leaderboard. As you can see here, look, the leaderboard goes down quite a few different places, and even these ones down here are still earning 1,800 coins, etc. So you don't even have to be near the top of the actual leaderboard to actually earn some extra coins from the leaderboard. So there's $500 up for grabs on every leaderboard, and also on a monthly leaderboard you could earn $5,000. So if you really did take this seriously, you could be on for a massive monthly payment of. Now the final way I want to show you how you can actually earn off of Freecash, and how easy it is to actually earn, and you can do this more of a passive income. Come to the new affiliates tab here. And if we scroll down, it basically means that you've got different types of tiers. So when you first come on, you reach to tier 1, you're going to get 5% commission on everybody that you refer that actually remains active and obviously starts creating coins. So you're going to get 5% of those coins. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently on tier 9 here, which means that I'm going to get 25% of the active coins. So this means I earn quite a lot of commissions on a daily basis on people that are actually using Freecash and actually earning coins. So I get 25% of their actual coins. But you can work your way up through this. You only got to earn $10 in affiliate earnings before you go to tier 2, and then you're on 6%, and then another $25, and you get to 7%. So it's very, very quick and easy. You could quite easily double it to 10% commissions. Referred someone who's obviously going to hit the leaderboard for argument's sake, and who's earning 220,000 commission, 225,000 coins every single day, like the guy was that we saw. You could be earning 25,000 coins per day just in affiliate commissions. How cool would that be? That's going to give you $25 every single day in affiliate commissions alone. Now, of course, the best way to obviously go and get people, you just need to copy your link here. You'll have your referral link, and just share this referral link. It gives you different places where you can go and quickly share your link. But you could also do video reviews, such as I'm doing here, and you can put them on TikTok, you could put them in Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or even YouTube. You could also write blog posts and put them on your blog as well, and you could put them in other places such as Quora and like on medium.com, which is also a blog platform that you could actually go and write a blog about it. So there's various different ways that you could obviously put your link out there and get people to join underneath you, and then once they start earning, you will start earning too. This is the way to maximize your earnings in Freecash. Come in daily, do a few tasks, do your 7-day streak, refer other people in as well, and it will all come together, and you should be then be able to easily, and I mean easily, take out $200-300 every single month just using Freecash alone. If you are struggling right now, this is a great way, because it's totally free to get started, that you could use to actually go and start earning some extra cash. Now, if you're serious about earning extra cash and you want to even more cash, then check out my number 1 way to earn extra cash in the link in the description below here. And also come and join my free Facebook community. We can ask any questions you like about obviously making money online, and I'll be only too happy to help you out. Okay, so if you found that useful and interesting, make sure you smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you will get notified every time you make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.